Welcome, dear student. Stay home and obey the rules of health for coronavirus and use masks. Study English at home. I am Mohammad Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher English, Gopalpur School and College, Monirampur, Joshua. Subject English for today, class 8, Unit 7, different people, different occupation, lesson 1, topics, parts. What do you see in these pictures? Yes, this is an ornament made of gold. What do you see in this picture? Yes, this is also a valuable pearls. What is this? This is pearls made ornament. In the primitive age, people all time use it, even after die. Today we are going to learn about pearls, Unit 7, Lesson 1. Learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, essentially you have to look at the pictures and discuss it here. Read the text and answer the questions. Read the text and write the information in the table. Look at the pictures and imagine what is this? Yes, this is pearls made ornament. In the primitive age, women used this valuable ornament, and its value all the time, all the places in the primitive age. Now we learn keywords. Mythology. Try to speak in English or try to English meaning. Mythologies, try to mythology in Bangla, Puranic Kahini Samuho. English meaning tradition. Now, make sentence. Pearls have been mentioned in religious texts, mythologies from the earliest times. Ancient. Try to say something about in English. Ancient. This picture is very ancient time. Ancient in Bangla, Prasin. English, old. Primitive. Now make sentence. In ancient Rome, pearls were considered the greatest sign of wealth and social status. Dissolve. In Bangla, Drubibhuto. English, liquefied, melted, etc. Pearls were dissolved in water in ancient time. Status, social status, সামাজিক মর্যাদা, rank, grade. Pearls are considered as the sign of status in ancient time. Dear students, open your books and match with me. Now read the text. Next, answer the questions. Thousands of years ago, the first pearl was probably discovered while human beings were searching for food at the seashore. Throughout history, the pearls with its sign has been one of the most highly valued games. Dear students, these pictures proves these topics. When people went to search for food in the seashore and discovered oyster, pearls oyster. Pearls have been mentioned in times in religious texts and mythologies from the earliest times. The ancient Egypts valued pearls so much that they were buried with them. It is said that the famous queen of Egypt, Cleopatra, would dissolve a pearl in a glass and give it as a sign of love and respect for the entire nation. The Greek threw the pearls as sign of wealth and social position. The beauty of pearls was associated with love and marriage. In ancient Rome, pearls were considered the greatest sign of wealth and social status. At that time, the young women of noble families loved to wear beautiful pearl necklaces. The brave knights used to wear them in the battles for good luck. Now read this question. Do you think pearls are dissolved by accident? Why? Why do you think pearls were valued so much in the past? What good luck that knights thought the pearls would bring them? Now try to answer. Next, I help you. Yes, your answer with me. The first question was, do you think pearls were discovered by accident? Why? Yeah. Question number 2. Why do you think pearls were valued so much in the past? In the past, pearls were valued so much because the ancient Egyptians and the Greeks thought them as a sign of wealth and social status. Question number 3. For good luck, the knights thought the pearls to bring them. The knights thought that the pearls would bring them good luck in the battle. Dear student, read the text in B again and write the information in the table. Now match your answer with me. First sentence is, the ancient Egyptians were all pearls when they were building. The Greeks wore pearls in the time of love and marriage. The ancient Romans were pearls in social gathering. The brave knights wore pearls in the battlefield. Now, write quickly. Now evaluation. Who was Cleopatra? Yes, Cleopatra was the famous queen of Egypt. What does the word probably mean? Possibly. The word probably means possibly. What did the Greeks consider the past as? The Greeks considered the past as a sign of wealth and social position. Now write homework. You will write a paragraph on pearls, and after opening in school, you must show your English teacher this homework. Dear students, wait my next video class, and after finishing this class, you will show this video www.teacher.gov.bd Kane Khulna School